All right, we're out here at Revelstoke Mountain Resort. I want to say that was the ski hill over there, but I could be wrong. I guess this is the ski hill. So we're gonna ride that pipe ride, the tram, and see what it's all about.
Yeah.
Everybody excited?
I'm throwing him off for sacrificing him. Okay.
Kenny, you're gonna be hot. You might want to ditch the sweatshirt. It's not gonna save you some sunburn. Okay, you ready? You gotta make the head movement. I'll go slow. You can make it as dramatic as possible. And I'll speed it up in post.
Eating cucumbers?
And add in the sound effects.
I'll fall off!
Okay, let's try it once more. That was pretty bad acting. You guys want to sharpen up your acting skills?
Who's the worst?
Me.
Yours.
Oh!
Cut.
That almost fell. I almost dropped my cucumber. Yeah.
Ready? On the set. Quiet on the set. Action. I'm not gonna hit you.
I'm not taking my
Okay, we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in. Okay, gonna go in the line.
I can't do this anymore.
One more. Don't do it so early. It's gotta be at your face before you're like.
Oh my god!
Mom's like, oh. Oh, wait.
Hey guys, too much weight on that side. Yeah.
I don't know if it's hot.
What is that? Yes.
No waving.
But see, he's got an ice cooler and a fan.
No tilting. If you still think Patty does. No looking at someone's ankles. No leaning. And no pushing against.
Guys, I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna be scared.
Same.
Oh, there's seatbelts. Oh.
Oh, my foot!
Yeah, we do ride all the way down here.
Yeah.
Who's ready to go on a boost?
I'm coming in hot with no brakes.
You don't have brakes, it slows down.
Yeah, that's what the handle's for. I'm sure it's for brakes.
Who's ready to go on a boost?
I'm gonna accidentally press my too hard and I'm gonna flying out.
Oh no.
Where's the air conditioning?
You don't have air conditioning.
I don't like it. I don't like going up backwards.
Let me go turn around.
Ew. Ugly swamp water.
I won't be able to like that.
Smile for me. Yes, Dad, get the angles of the road.
This is the first time I've ever been on a
There was a
gondola
gopher
in the
hole.
summer.
There was a gopher hole.
Switch it up.
It's always been,
That's all I can read.
Yeah, look how far we have to go up. We're going straight up now.
Switch it up.
it's always been freezing cold.
See, Kenny, you're conquering your fear.
I'm not afraid of heights. I don't care.
Ow, my ears.
Cashin, don't say I'm not afraid
You've
of
never
heights.
been on a gondola, have
But even if
you?
I was afraid of heights, then I'd
Oh
be
yeah,
like,
all the time.
All the not
What
time.
makes you think I'd be on one?
I can't on one. I just went back down. She just.
I got in one of my
Got out.
I'm going to take out my back pocket.
Oh, my pants.
Your hands are turning blue.
Look how far we have to go up. We're going straight up now.
Switch it up.
It's always been freezing cold.
See, Kenny, you're conquering your fear.
I'm not afraid of heights. I don't care.
Ow, my ears.
Cashin, don't say you're not afraid
You've
of
never
heights.
been on a gondola, have
But
you?
if I was afraid of heights, then I'd
Oh
be
yeah,
like,
all the time.
Peter.
Our hands are sweaty.
You gross. You have sweaty hands.
You can take.
Hey, you could buy this lot right here and live right here.
Wow. Yes, I'd love to live
I want to
there.
live.
I don't know if I
I
want
love
to live
that
right
house
there.
Yeah,
Nice
nice
house.
spit on
Gondola.
every day by people. Like
People would
bird's
be
eye
like-
view into your bathroom.
Trying to spit on my house and stuff.
They know what you got. They come back later.
They should have windows.
Well, there's bathrooms.
It's gonna be like that at every post, just so you know. Okay. No, you don't. This is your first gondola
Well, she's
ride.
gone over a few rumbles now.
Yeah, this is your first ride ever in
Look at that
gondola.
bowed tree.
Just open the door and jump out.
Those are the windows.
Stop, retard.
What?
Oh.
Stop, retard! I can't do this.
I just realized if you look back.
The opposite of that.
The windows are trash.
Little
says,
more
"Stay
extension.
inside."
Now I'm gonna go even higher.
I hope I can go right behind you guys so I can... I'll go first.
Going on a roller coaster. Shut up! Don't, please.
Well, you guys are all yelling. Why can't I?
That's embarrassing.
Well, the cheer, not
up.
there.
Okay, it's making my go.
Couch looks Ew!
All right.
Oh,
Dad got scared.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like fucking
Yeah,
blue.
totally.
oh my
I
god.
don't know where to go.
Get out. Get out there. If I just distract myself further.
Full tilt. Whoa. Kind of, whoa. Almost throws you out. Woo. Holding on with one hand, probably not safe. Whoa. No stopping. It's kind of sketchy. Man, if he fell off, it would fucking hurt. It's a little bit rough. Relying on nothing but ab muscles. Since I'm only using one hand to operate the full throttle, if you let go of the handle, it slows down automatically. Do not lean out or touch track. Oh, it's good advice. Don't touch the track with your fingers. Jesus Christ. Woo-hoo. They only let you go so fast and the brake automatically comes on. I can feel it. Woo. I think I lost my cover for my camera. Shit. Well, better put her away. How was it, son? You gotta get off. Keep going up to there where the flag tape is. How was it? You're smiling, so that's good. Gotta keep going up to the flag. Keep her pinned.
I was creepy the entire time.
You gotta go right up to the flags there. Yeah, no, I'm not waiting in line another 2 hours. I got things to do today. We'll wait for Mom. Ah, that sun is, it's gotta be 30 above today and it's hot. The tail end of our, well, like the past 3 days, it's been like super hot out. 27 and climbing up to like 30. Today is supposed to be like a high 32. Here she comes. Right up to the red tape. Keep going. Everybody's got smiles. If we would have bought the big pass, then we could have went twice, but we gotta get going home.
You're right.